Okay, so let's begin with this question. Question number 26. Ajit Limited produced and sold 60,000 cellular phones. तो उसका finished goods क्या है? Cell phones. How many? 60,000 in the year 2016-17. मतलब this is annual. ये per annum sales है उसका 60,000 cell phones. And their cost structure is as under. Okay, तो cost structure में क्या बोला है? Per unit दिया है cost structure. Okay, raw material 120, labor 90, manufacturing overheads 80, admin overheads 30. ठीक है? I guess this is the first sum where we have taken overheads the bifurcation. Otherwise, till date, whatever sums we have done, we never take overheads wala bifurcation, isn't it? Right? Yeah. So I picked up this sum for this reason because either overheads are bifurcated, manufacturing and admin overheads. Okay. Then profit is 20% of selling price. Okay, that we will take care. In the year 2017-18, मतलब futuristic है, 2017-18, they plan to produce 72,000 cellular phones, and they estimate that raw material cost per unit will reduce by 100. ठीक है? So raw material कितना है? 120. So they are saying कि in future this is futuristic, huh? Even this is a new variety. Current year दिया है, estimated working capital के लिए information दिया है. The raw material per unit will reduce by 100, will reduce to 100. Okay, ठीक है. So raw material current year में 120 है, next year में they're estimating it to be 100. ठीक है. Overheads, all overheads. There are two overheads with me, manufacturing and admin. Okay. So both the overheads will increase by 10% बोला है. Fine. Selling price बोला है will remain unchanged. तो selling price कितना है नहीं मालूम, वो हम calculate करेंगे, then we will see. और क्या? Further information, yes. What is the further information? Raw material will be in stock on an average equal to 1 month's consumption. So raw material ka consumption rate is 1 month. Processing time matlab WIP is 1/4 month. Next, finished goods is half a month. Credit allowed by supplier. Supplier matlab mera creditors. Kitna hai? 1 month. Customer is my debtor, half month. Time lag means outstanding. What? Payment of wages and both the overheads, that is manufacturing and admin, is how much? 1 month. Cash balance kitna hai? 75,000. Production and sales are carried on evenly throughout the year. I had told you this line indicates what? That assumption what we take for WIP, 150, 50. Then provide margin of safety 10%. Datas to be calculated at selling price. Even if this information is not there, datas are calculated at selling price only. Then 40% purchases and 60% sales. 40% of purchases and 60% of sales are against cash. We don't have to consider cash. We have to consider the opposite, that is credit. Okay. So इसका ये मतलब है 40% कैश में है, मतलब 60% क्रेडिट परचेज हुआ है. नेक्स्ट 60% कैश सेल्स है, मतलब 40% क्रेडिट सेल्स है. So we have to consider it like this. Am I clear about this? Acknowledge it in the chat box. Question समझ में आया? Is the question clear to everyone? Is the question clear? Okay, fine. Yeah. Okay. Now let us start with the working capital estimates. Okay. Start the working capital statement. Just a minute. Calculations are also there. Yeah. And amount, particulars and calculation. Where working capital estimates. Okay, particulars, then calculations, and then amount. Okay, first let us do the working note. काम करते हैं थोड़ा, I'll first do it for the current year, that is 2016-17. Yeah. So raw material, next is labor, next is manufacturing overheads, that is factory overheads, then is office overheads. Okay, yeah. So कितना है 120, 90, 80, 30. 120, 90, 80 and 30. Okay, this is gonna give me what? Total cost. So add it. 120 plus 90 plus 30 plus 80. 320. So write it here, 320. Add profit to this. I will get my selling price. तो profit कितना बोला है? 20% of selling price. Okay, so yeah, use that logic. Yeah. So 20% of selling price. So selling price is 100. So this is 80. Cross multiply, you will get the answer. Okay. So 320 into 100 divided by 80. So my answer is 400. So मेरा selling price is how much? 400. So obviously the difference is what? ठीक है? Anyways, इधर profit से मतलब है ही नहीं. Profit किसी मतलब it's not used in my working capital calculation. Now come to the next one. 2017-18. Okay, and you are preparing working capital estimates for 2017. Okay, चलो start. क्या बोला है? So this is the newness in today's question. There is a current year and there is an estimated year, and there is a rise and fall in the prices respectively. तो क्या बोला है? They estimate that, and do remember, इसका जो units produced है, this is 60, और इसका they have said it is 72. ठीक है? Don't forget all that. Raw material will be what? 100 rupees. So write here 100. 100. Next क्या बोला है? Overheads will increase by 10%. Labor के बारे में कुछ नहीं बोला है. तो in absence of information, assume it to be same. Okay? Assume it to be same. मतलब no change. ठीक है? Overheads क्या बोला है? 10% increase. तो कर दो increase 10%. So 80 rupees का 10% increase. Next 30 rupees का 10% increase. Okay, so 80 का 10% increase will be how much? 8 rupees. So it will be how much? 88. See, if you can do it orally, well and good. Yeah, 88. Next 30, 43. ठीक है? Now total your cost. Yeah. So plus 88 plus 90 plus 100. So my answer is 311. 311. Let me double check. 100 plus 90 plus 88 plus 33. Yeah, 311. And what they have said, selling price will not change बोला है for 2017-18. So there is no change in the selling price. मतलब selling price is gonna be 400. ठीक है? Yeah. So जो difference है वो मेरा profit है 89. Okay? तो देखा आप लोग ने प्रॉफिट तो बढ़ गया. Current year में it is 80, but next year में it's gonna be, it's estimated at 89. ठीक है? Because of the suggested changes. Is it clear till here? Acknowledge it in the chat box. Is the working note clear? Is the working note clear? Okay, fine. Yeah, thanks. Start with current assets. So right here, current assets. So first is stock. Stock में भी पहला क्या है? Raw material. Next, WIP. WIP का, yeah, don't forget the processing bifurcation. Raw material, labor, overheads. Okay? Yeah. Write it till here. Okay, complete everything. Okay, start. Raw material, where is it? So my quantity is how much now? 72. Don't forget that. Don't take 60. It is 72. Yeah. 72,000 into the rate of raw material is how much now? 100 into what is the lag? I mean time period, 1 month. So into 1 divided by 12. Okay, to do it, 72,000 into 100 divided by 12, 6 lakhs. Okay, so right here 6 lakhs. Next, WIP. Okay, do the breakup. कितना है? 100, 50, 50. भूलना मत. 100, 50, 50. So this is 72,000, 72,000, 72,000 into, multiplied with the rate, this is 100. Okay, labor कितना था? 90, 90. Okay, what is the month? I mean, how much they have taken? Processing is 1/4. So 1/4 month, yeah? Okay, so 1/4 will be how much? Do run calci. 1 divided by 4 will be 0.25. So take it like this: 0.25 divided by 12. Okay, yeah, same, 0.25 divided with 12. and I don't know the space yet. Yeah, 0.25 divide with 12 and multiply it with 100%, and this will be 50%. Okay, simultaneously do the calculation also. So 72,000 into how much was it? 100 into 0.25 divided by 12 into 100 plus the percentage sign. So answer is 1,50,000. Okay. Next, same thing. 72,000 into 90 rupees into 0.25 divided by 12 into 50 and press the percentage sign. So 67,500. Somebody has written. Okay, Jyoti, 67,500. Yeah, it is 67,500. Okay. Next, ये कितना था? 88. Okay. 72,000 into 88 into 0.25 divided by 12. This is also how much? 50%. कितना है? 66,000. Okay. Now students listen carefully. Just listen carefully. There is a twist in the question. Look at this working note. Yeah. Now listen. Yeah. For WIP purpose, what am I calculating? Closing stock of WIP. So जब हम WIP calculate करेंगे, so we will take into consideration only this overheads. Raw material 100%, labor 50%, manufacturing overheads I will take. Admin overheads will not come into picture because what am I calculating? Closing stock of WIP. Is that clear? So WIP is only up to the stage of manufacturing. It is not beyond that. Post that, it is not considered. Am I clear? Samajh mein aaya? So for WIP calculation, only manufacturing overheads will be taken into consideration. Okay? Yeah, 88 rupees into 0.25 divided by 12 into 50%. Is this clear? Kindly acknowledge it in the chat box. कितना आया था मेरा answer? 66,000. Okay? Yeah. Take the figure in the outer column. चलो टोटल करो इसको. 66 plus 67,500 plus 1,50,000. कितना है? 2,83,500. So write down 2,83,500. 2,83,500. Okay. Yeah. Next, come to finished goods. Third one, finished goods. Finished goods का highlight क्या है? It is calculated at cost of production. Okay. So 72,000 into 88 into इसका कितना था? Time period for finished goods half a month. Half a month मतलब 0.5, right? Yeah. 0.5 divided by 12. Okay. So let me see. 72,000 into how much is my total cost? Okay. Finished goods, no? COP. Now listen. How will you calculate COP? अभी तक हमने जितने भी sums किए हैं, we have taken a total cost because overheads what we were assuming those overheads are up to factory. So when you are calculating COP, students, please don't take this for finished goods because this is total cost. अपने को total cost नहीं चाहिए. I have made it very specific when I was doing theory. It is actually cost of production. But generally अभी तक हमने जितने भी sums किए, our total cost and cost of production was same. They were not different because वहाँ पे bifurcation था ही नहीं ना overheads का. तो हमने obviously assume किया था कि ये जो overheads हमें दिया that is manufacturing overheads. So that is why my total cost and my cost of production was same. But in this sum, there is a bifurcation. There is admin overheads given that will not come in the calculation of finished goods. Okay, finished goods जब बन जाएगा उसके बाद admin overheads incur होगा. Okay, so don't take this 311 ये नहीं आएगा, सिर्फ ये आएगा 100 plus 90 plus 88. 100 plus 90 plus 88 is how much? 278. Am I clear about this? समझ में आया everyone? Is it clear to everyone? This is very important part of this question. मेरा COP is 278, not 311. Many students will do that mistake of taking it as 311. Okay? कितना कैलकुलेट करो into 72,000 into 0.5 divided by 12, 8,34,000. Yeah, yeah, 8,34,000. Somebody had that. Somebody has already calculated it. Nice. Kishmat. Okay, fine. Good. Next, come to debtors. Debtors. Debtors का क्या criteria है? Obviously, selling price. And debtors are always calculated on credit sales. ठीक है? चलो debtors calculate करते हैं. 72,000 multiplied with the selling price. Selling price change नहीं हुआ है. It is 400 only. So 400. And let me see the time lag. Credit collection period कितना दिया है? Customer का half month. Half month मतलब 0.5. 1 divided by 2 कर देना कैलसी पे 0.5. ओके into credit sales कितना था 40%. So I'll take that much 40%. Okay, calculate this. 72,000 into 400 rupees into 0.5 divided by 12 इसका 40%. 4,80,000. So right here 4,80,000. Okay. Next क्या है? Cash. Cash bank balance दिया हुआ है. It is given in the question. I guess it was 75,000 if I'm not wrong. Yeah, 75,000. So right here 75,000. Okay. Yeah. Do it till here. फिर इसको total भी कर दो. Total it. Total current assets. Total this figure 4,80,000 plus 75,000 plus 8,34,000 plus 2,83,500 plus 6 lakhs. So 22,72,500. 22,72,500. So this is my current asset. Okay. Yeah. And today I did not identify this. I hope you all have done that. I mean, I did not mark it. Marking नहीं किया मैंने. ये current asset है. ये भी current asset. Current asset. ये creditors है. Current liability. This is current asset. This is also current asset. And this is current liability. Okay. Let us start with current liability. First is creditors. Okay, start with creditors. Creditors will be recorded at raw material purchase price. So 72,000 into 100 rupees of raw material into, what is the time period for creditors? Supplier is my creditor, 1 month. So 1 divided by 12 into credit purchase is 60%. So write you 60%. Okay. So 72,000 into 100 rupees into 1 divided by 12 into 60%. The answer is, I don't know what the equality, something calculation over 72,000 into 100 divided by 12 का 60%. 3,60,000. So write it here, 3,60,000. Okay. Then calculate outstanding expenses. Outstanding expenses may I have 3 things. I have wages, I have manufacturing overheads, and I have office or admin overheads. Okay. 72,000 this is 90 rupees. This is 88 rupees. This is 33 rupees. Let me check. Yeah, another. Into, let me see the percent, I mean month. Wages of 1 month है. So you could have directly added it also. Add भी कर सकते थे direct. Okay. 1 divided by 12. Okay. Students, you can even do it like this. 72,000 into, yeah, 90 plus 88 plus 33 is how much? 211. So directly आप 211 भी total कर सकते हैं. Okay. You can directly take 211 also. Okay. एक ही बात है. Into 1 divided by 12. It will give you the same answer. Is it clear till here? समझा ये calculation? You can show it separately this way, or you can do it as a combination. I guess the second one would be easier. Okay, just acknowledge it in the chat box. You can opt for either of the one step. Okay, I'll complete the sum in the next lecture. Just keep it till here. Second one would be easier, students. It will save your time.